Geto Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.
Thirikari ya Kenya ĩrĩ na mũbango wa kwararamia wonjoria wayo na thirikari ya bũrũri wa China nĩguo kũnyihanyihia thirĩ ũrĩa ĩrĩ naguo ũrĩa nĩ wa makĩria ma ciringi bilioni 500. Ĩno nĩ mĩario ĩrekereirio nĩ mũnini wa President Kithure Kindiki akiuga mabũrũri maya merĩ nĩ makoretwo makĩrutithania wĩra wega kuma Kenya yegwatĩra wĩyathi. Arĩ kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa onjoria na kuma Kenya na bũrũri wa China mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi. Kĩgomano kĩrĩa kinyitĩtwo kana gĩkinyĩtio nĩ mũnini wa President wa China Han Zeng hamwe na barothi wa bũrũri ũcio Guo Haiyan. Ũiguano ũyũ na China ũrongoreirie kwehereria Kenya mĩkana ya wendia wa indo bũrũri-inĩ ũcio wa China na kũhũthia mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhinga kana ĩkĩhinga arĩa mendagia indo kuma Kenya ginyagia bũrũri-inĩ wa China.
And we are very, very, very excited at the opportunity that lies ahead.
Kenya and China share strong trade relations that have continued to grow over the years, as demonstrated by the continued growth of merchandise trade between the two countries. With this growth in trade, the trade balance between our two countries remains significantly skewed in favor of China.
The strategy targets specific high-impact value chains to boost global competitiveness, and therefore the early harvest agreement between Kenya and China is indeed a confidence-building measure, allowing for acceleration of tariff reductions on specific goods between Kenya and China before a full free trade agreement is finalized.
Allow me to basically talk to very briefly the cost that has significantly come down, thus making our economy a competitive destination to set up for global firms to set up world manufacturing centers, because the distance to market has significantly been reduced through the cost of transportation and efficient movement of goods to market.